Some parents in the Cupertino School District want to go back to distance learning. They are concerned about the Delta variant and their children who are still too young to get the vaccine. KPIX5's Len Ramirez is live in Cupertino with more. Len?
Well, according to the district's COVID-19 dashboard, there have been 16 cases overall in this district, 6 involving staff, 10 involving students, and that's out of a district of some 14,000 students. The district contends that the relatively low chance of getting COVID while here at school, but some parents think otherwise and want a return to distance learning.
Faria Elementary School is fully back to in-person learning, and hundreds of students and their parents crowd the sidewalks when the final bell rings. Although everyone is wearing a mask, some parents are growing more nervous about having their kids back in school.
We are very scared of the increasing cases around. So our kids are not vaccinated.
Vaccines are still not available to children under 12, and COVID cases for children under 17 spiked to 65,000 last month, up from just 5,000 in June, according to the California Department of Public Health.
We need the online schooling option for our kids, just like what we had last year.
Today, about a dozen parents gathered at the Cupertino Union School District office to meet with the superintendent and request an option to return to distance learning. After a year when many parents around the country were demanding a return to the classroom, these parents want to now keep their kids at home.
There's so many unknowns about this virus with the Delta variant.
The district says it's not that easy. Distance learning was controlled by the state and those funds ran out. Students can enroll in a district home study program, but it's not the teacher-led distance learning they had last year.
The parent is really the teacher, and our teachers are there to support and guide.
And families would have to give up their spots in highly competitive schools, many of which have lotteries to get in if they go home study.
If they decide to come back after vaccination or after a few months, they should have the spot in their home school or alternative school.
After the meeting, parents and the district agreed to keep working to solve some of the issues, but the district's stance is that in-person learning is here to stay.
Cupertino believes that our schools are open for safe teaching and learning to happen on a daily basis.
Now, that home study option would be a good option for many families. However, the parent would have to be the leader of the classroom in their home. And so since many parents have to work in this district because the cost of living is so high in this area, many parents say that is not an option for them. Reporting live in Cupertino, Len Ramirez, KPIX5.